It's SMELLYFROGGY87. Today we're gonna be doing only machine gun challenge. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so we're gonna be using machine guns only for my first video. And everyone make sure to like and subscribe. For the channel, we can only use this and okay, we're gonna use machine gun challenge. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I wanna look for machine gun. I can't use anything but machine gun. Oh my gosh. Use that. It's so hard. It's so hard, literally. I'm gonna be landing at the beach because okay, I use these. Okay, I found the machine gun. So go. I feel like I'm gonna be able to need this. Come on, little guy. Come on, Tiger. Get over here.
Damn you, I will not be ignored! Get back in here!
Oh shoot, no. Okay. Oh my god.
Got him.
We're gonna be transported into the circle. Moving into the circle. This thing's supposed to make you. Oh. I accidentally picked up a weapon. Dropped the item. Can't use it. How many weapons am I gonna have to not use? Well, literally. Okay. So I'm gonna. What do we got? Make sure to hit that subscribe button and like button. And if you want to invite me, my name is SMELLYFROGGY87. Okay. It's hard with only one weapon, but
That was a close one.
oh my god. Emu, save me. Ooh, leveled me armor. Nice. Woo! Okay. Okay, I'm in zone. I'm in zone. I'm in zone. Ooh. Right here. Ooh. Oh shoot.
Fired! Shots fired!
Oh no. Come on. No way. I died. This challenge is so hard. I'm close. How many wins do I have? 45 wins. So, guys, this is going to be the end of the video. Okay. Bye, guys.